Hey, dude, where you at, man? We were supposed to start our verses 10 minutes ago.
Bro, I've been waiting for this bus for an hour now, man. He ain't never showed up.
So I'm supposed to tell my followers that this bold MC is waiting for the bus?
All right, let's stream right now then.
Ready? Let's go viral!
This is a time when I spit you a rhyme and you know that it's fine cause it come from a mind in a breath that is fine. Minty, shiny, you already know me. Killing, vibing, going for the trophy.
Man.
Step up to the plate. Let's see what you got, man. Put my man on the line.
Alright, here we go. Yo, my rhymes are delicious like chips. I mean, Ruffles got ridges, Big T bust bridges.
Hey.
I don't even know what I'm saying. My rhymes coming off the dome. They're deadly like a weapon made of chrome. I'm just coming from here. Yo, you there? Hey, yo, man, that's not funny. McKinley! Hey, yo, listen, man, if anybody's out there, man, if you are watching this live stream right now, please go over and check on my boy. Call 911. Somebody do something, please. Yo, McKinley!
Sorry, man. Sorry, I got distracted. Are you okay? I'll bring some help.